Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're diving into a new update on how to share your Instagram highlights directly from your PC. This feature makes it easier than ever to share your favorite moments with friends and followers. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look for your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile. This is where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you see the section under your bio where your highlights are located. Click on the highlight you wish to share. This will open up the highlight and display all the stories included in it. Now, to get the link for sharing, focus on the address bar at the top of your browser. You will see a URL that points directly to your highlight. Click on this link to select it. After highlighting the link in the address bar, right-click with your mouse. A menu will appear. Choose the option that says Copy. This action saves the link to your clipboard. Now that you have copied the link, it's time to share it. You can paste this link wherever you want, be it in an email, a social media post, or a messaging app. To do this, simply go to the platform where you want to share it. Right-click in the message area and select Paste. Your friends will now have direct access to view your highlight on Instagram. And there you have it. Sharing your Instagram highlights from a PC is quick and straightforward. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that everyone can enjoy those special moments you've captured. Don't forget to check back for more tips and updates on using Instagram effectively.